Hi friend, in last video I have shown you how to calculate the sum of all natural numbers. In that video I had shown you calculate the number 0 to 5, 0 to 10 and 10 to 15. So in this video I will show you some another method which is present in IntStream classes. So let's go to our IntelliJ which is already I have opened. In this IntelliJ, let's create another class int stream array. Here, let's define the main method, and here defining a array data int array data. So here we are defining anything like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that, and let's let's calculate the mean value. Let's get the mean value of this defined array. So for retrieving the minimum mean array value, here we need to define int stream dot of. Here we will pass our array. Here there is a method min method we need to call. Then it will give the output of min value. The return type of min value is optional int. Here printing the min value. Now running this value, right clicking here and run. You will see the output is come 10. Yeah, here you can see. Okay, you can use like this min dot if present, then only this data can print. Here I am using method references. Now I am running this method. Yeah, you can see 10 will be appear. Now let's see to get the max value of the defined array. So here we need to pass array dot max. By this max dot if present, we can define here by using print stream and ln. Here you will get the max value of the defined array. Now it will give the output 50. Now let's see another method. Here I am passing entering a stream int stream our array dot. You can see lot of method percentage here. Like if you want to sort this array, then use sorted method dot to char array like that, or you can print here like for each loop system dot out dot println dot print. Here you will see all the array element in the sorted order. This one 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You can also define like this data. Now here we are going to define system dot out dot print, and here defining data plus space. Now it will add the space after printing one one value to one value. Yeah, you can see. If you want to sort this array into ascending order, then you need to use comparator comparator dot reverse order. Then reverse order, reverse order. Here, here we need to define integer, just 1 minute, comparators dot. Here we can use integer dot reverse in this method. Why it is not calling? Okay. Comparator dot comparing reverse natural order integer dot compare to. Why it is not going well? Just 1 minute here. Let's pass as a lambda expression value data data 2. Now let's define data 2 dot. Now comparator dot comparing data 1 comma data 2 dot reverse. Okay. uh, I think we need to pass some other thing, some another thing, reverse order. So here, just 1 minute here, map to comparators. Just 1 minute here, I'm removing this one. Wait, here we can pass integer dot reverse. I think it is why not taking map to object. Then here we finding compare comparators dot reverse. Now it will give the reverse value. You can see here reverse order. It will give the first one 50, 40, 30, 20, 20, 20, 10. Yeah, you can sort the value in ascending order as well as descending order. And one more value is here. Array here passing array dot for each limit sorted sum collect. You can use distinct value, average value, count value. If you want to check the count, then you can use count value. Count method. This will give the count of the array data. Yeah, it is giving 5 because if you see here, there is a 5 element there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this video, I have shown you some another method which is present in Stream API. Now in the upcoming next video, I will show you some another method which is present in the stream classes. So let's see another video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.